All right, we're inside a Blender. We want to output an animation. I got a very basic animation here. You can see the box is just moving up and down. And a couple of settings we'll want to go to. First of all is go to your output settings, which is a little printer. I'll select 1920 by 1080 for the resolution. 100% is fine. Frame rate 24 frames per second is good. Standard for animation. 30 is more typical for film, but I'll leave it at 24. Very important setting is where you want the output to go. On the bottom right here, C temp is fine. That's in your C drive, and you should hopefully have access to that. Next, we don't want PNG. That's a still form format, or JPEG. We want to switch to FFmpeg, and then scroll down. Make sure that H.264 is set. That should be all the settings that we need, other than to go up to render and go render animation. Once that's finished, it's still rendering. There we go, we're all done. We should be able to find it, hopefully, by going to our C drive and selecting the temp folder. Let's just try that. C, down to temp, and there it is right here. All right, that's it. Over and out.